In today's video, we are making creamy peri peri chicken. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I am about to make dinner. You know, in this Mediterranean diet, I'm doing a bunch of chicken, a bunch of fish, and salmon, that kind of thing. So today we are making, it's called creamy chicken peri peri something. I will have everything in the description box. So I've got, this is actually 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half because they were so thick, child. I don't like my meat thick, but anyway. And then I seasoned them with some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt, and I think that's all I put on there. And so I let it sit for a few minutes. I'm trying to get it room temperature. I've got my skillet getting hot because we're going to sear this on. We're going to sear the chicken on each side for 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and do some fabulous stuff. Now, you guys, I had not heard of peri peri sauce. So I went to my Alexa, of course, and she gave me a recipe. Now, I had to alter my recipe because there's some things that I did not have. It calls for red peppers, jalapeno peppers, chili peppers, garlic, basil, oregano, onions, and you put that all in a food processor and you add some oil. Then you add smoked paprika, lemon juice, black pepper, and vinegar, and mix well. Now the vinegar is optional. If you don't want the vinegar, you don't have to add the vinegar. So I was minus the jalapenos and the red peppers. So everything else I am using. And so we're just going to let this get hot and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm thinking my skillet is hot enough, and I wanted to use cast iron because I think cast iron is just fabulous to cook with. So we're going to add our chicken. There we go. I feel like it really could have been hotter. That's okay. Okay, and again, we're going to let this cook for 3 minutes on each side. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I just flipped the chicken. It's 4 minutes. Look at that beautiful celery on there. And when I tell you that smoked paprika has it smelling fabulous in here, it's smelling fabulous. So we're going to let this cook another 4 minutes on this side. Alexa, set timer for 4 minutes. And then once it cooks another 4 minutes, I will come back. Okay? Okay, you guys, I have removed the chicken from the skillet. I'm going to add just a tinge more oil because now we are going to add our onion and, let me turn it down some, our onion and garlic. So this is a medium onion, and I am going to add a teaspoon of, let's add just a little bit more, of minced garlic. Let me try to use my spatula. Yeah. And we want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are soft. And we want to try to scrape up some of that goodness from the bottom of the skillet. It smells so good. because you just want these soft. It's looking pretty good. So now you guys, I'm going to add a cup of chicken stock. Try to scrape up some more of that off the goodness off the bottom. And then I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to add our peri peri. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's P-E-R-I, P-E-R-I, two separate words. Like Maui, Maui. So I'm going to add that. Because I didn't have the sauce, as I said, I looked up the recipe and made my own. I don't think I would have done the jalapeno peppers anyway. The red peppers would have added some fabulous color. But listen, I wasn't going to the store, so we was working with what we have. So we're going to let this simmer. And we're going to add our chicken back in and let it finish doing what it does. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so now we're going to put our chicken into the sauce. And we're going to let that cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until your chicken is thoroughly done. So here is our chicken. Fabulous sauce. Now, while this is doing what it does, I'm going to make some rice. Because we're going to serve this over some rice. So, let me get to going. Let me get busy, sis. Let me get busy. Okay, you guys. So, here is dinner. So, as far as the peri peri sauce, if I make this again, I'm going to use less oil. And because I don't like a lot of oil. It is spicy, so in my opinion, you don't need any, what's those hot peppers? Jalapenos. No, it's spicy. So, I'm getting ready to turn on into this. And I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for coming. You know I love you from your toes to your soul, and until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye guys.